In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Microsoft Teams app on your laptop, whether you're using Windows or Mac. Let's dive right in and get you set up so that you can stay connected with your team effortlessly. The first step in this process is to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Make sure you are logged in with your Microsoft account. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so because you'll need to be signed in to download the app successfully. Once you're logged in, look for the three little dots located in the top right corner of your screen right next to your profile picture. These dots are your friends when it comes to accessing additional options. Click on them and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Navigate through the menu until you see the option for Get the Desktop app. Click on this option. This will open up another page specifically for downloading Microsoft Teams. On this new page, you should see a prominent download button. This button might have slightly different appearances depending on whether you're on a Windows or Mac machine, but don't worry, it will be clearly marked. Go ahead and click on this download button. This action will begin the download process for the Microsoft Teams installer file. While the file is downloading, which shouldn't take too long depending on your internet speed, you might want to ensure that your laptop meets the system requirements for the Microsoft Teams app. Generally, any relatively current laptop should be just fine, but if you encounter any issues after installation, a quick check on Microsoft's system requirements page could be helpful. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded file to start the installation. On Windows, this will typically be an exe file, while on Mac, it'll be a DMG file. Open this file and you'll be guided through the installation process with a series of on-screen instructions. These might include accepting the terms and conditions, selecting an installation location, and confirming installation. Simply follow these instructions, clicking Next or Continue as prompted, and soon the application will be installed on your laptop. After the installation is complete, open the Microsoft Teams application and sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. You'll be welcome to the Teams interface, ready to start collaborating. If you encounter any initial setup screens, don't worry. They're designed to help configure your team's experience based on your preferences. And there you have it. With these steps, you should now have the Microsoft Teams app up and running on your laptop, allowing you to stay connected with your colleagues, join meetings easily, and access all the collaboration tools that Teams has to offer. Thanks for tuning in and happy teaming.